The big surprise is finally here, and what I'm going to tell you is going to leave you speechless. So stay with me till the end of this video because I'm going to tell you each and everything that we are going to do for you if you're preparing for IIT NEST JEE NEET 2026 examinations. So if you're in class 11th, 12th, or even a dropper, this video is the one-stop solution for you if you're facing problems in your preparation journey right now. Now, what kind of problems? I'm going to discuss with you briefly, but let's get started, everyone. So recently, many of you have been coming to us and telling us about the problems that you're facing. Let's go through some of those problems, and of course, these are common amongst 80 to 90% of the aspirants. Okay, for example, purchased a batch but huge backlogs. Had a suggestion, what if you guys conduct a backlog marathon, DPP's backlogs, question practice backlogs, backlogs. Do you find a common pattern in all of these queries? The common word, backlogs. Yes, that's correct. Backlogs leading to stress, eventually compromising the performance in exams like IIT, JEE, IIT, and NEET. What if I buy the course today? There are backlogs. How can I cover that? Again, backlogs, full of backlogs. Don't worry, guys. We have brought a huge solution to this problem itself, and stay with me. For example, this suggestion. I had a suggestion. What if you guys conduct a backlog marathon for those who have their backlogs pending, not because of their ignorance to study, but for the students who bought the course late. Backlogs is something not in your control. You cannot do it when you are actually starting your journey for preparation to IIT and NEST. What you can do is cover those backlogs, which again is a huge and immense pain. And of course, everyone faced that. That's why we are here to help you out. Because most of the students, what they do is they somehow start preparing for the examinations, but despite of backlogs, they try to cover their syllabus, rest of the chapters that they are doing, and eventually by the months of December or January, 95% of people struggle not just to finish their backlogs, but to revise and properly practice in the chapters that they have been doing in the last few months of the year. And we don't want you to face those issues, and that is why we have worked hard and brought to you literally free education to help all of you preparing for JEE, NEET, IIT, NEST, so that next year you can land up in your dream research institute. It can be IISc Bangalore, it can be IITs, it can be various 7 isers across India. Backlogs should not be the reason for you to not perform in the examinations next year. What have we brought exactly? Let's see. So what are we going to do is something called as free backlog series. Okay, free. Why? Because you need to crush your backlogs in just 30 days. This is huge, guys. This is huge. This is literally free education. If you are excited by that, if you think this is going to help you out, I'm going to tell you each of the features in detail. But if you feel the need, let me know in the comment. SciAstra is a family. We are doing all this for you, because we treat you as our younger brothers and sisters, and we all are a family. So write in the comments, SciAstra is a family, because we are. And let's go through the features of what all things you are getting in this free backlog series, right? And top mentors from IISc, isers, IITs, and nisers will be guiding you in subjects physics, chemistry, maths, bio. Your lectures will be taken care of, and after every lecture, you are going to get lecture notes after every class, and the chapters in which most of the students are facing backlogs will be covered in subsequent lectures for PCMB. And there will be live classes at 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. The first class will be at 5 p.m. on September 29th, which is Monday. So it's less than 3 days from now that you will be having a first backlog series class. Where will that class be conducted? So guys, this is a huge thing. Classes will be done on SciAstra application. Okay, this is very important if you want to enroll into the free backlog series batch. Go to the description, download the SciAstra application now. Do not wait, because We know hundreds and thousands of students are waiting to join this free backlog series batch. Immediately check the description, the website link, the application links are given there. Go download the app and you can enroll in this backlog series batch for the price zero, which is free. And you can enroll it for literally 0 rupees. You don't have to pay any money to us, right? And what all things you'll be getting apart from the lectures? So after lectures, you will be having lecture notes after every class, plus chapter-wise mock test for IIT and NEST. So whatever chapters are being covered in your classes, you will be having CBT mode, computer-based test for those chapters. The level of difficulty of questions will be for IIT as well as NEST. Guys, do you feel this is going to be helpful to all of you? Chapter-wise CBT on the pattern of IIT and NEST for free in this backlog series batch for all the chapters that you'll be taught, right? And let me know in the comments with all those emojis, fires, hearts, if you feel that this is a huge value addition to your preparation journey. And recordings of those classes will be available so that you can also watch those lectures at a later point in time whenever you want. And also you can attempt those mock tests as per your convenience. Multiple attempts will be allowed as well. How amazing is that, guys? And you cannot just appear in this mock test, you can compare your ranks to thousands of other people and aspirants who are preparing besides you for IIT NEST, JEE and NEET. So at SciAstra, in all our batches, we have regular interaction sessions, guidance sessions, stress buster sessions, mentorship sessions. If you want to explore that, you can definitely check out on the website or on the description via the links. But why are we doing this for you? Because we have seen that backlogs are becoming a huge problem for most of you. And I personally feel we all do that many of you can score great ranks in IIT, JEE and all those examinations. Maybe you are watching this video right now, you're going to score more than 220 marks next year and get into IISc Bangalore. So we don't want you to be deprived of this opportunity just because there were some chapters that you were not able to study because of backlogs. That is why we have brought this whole system in form of this backlog series batch for you, right? And how can I say this? Because at SciAstra, we have been guiding thousands of students for last more than 4 years. And currently, we have more than 3,000 selections in IIT, NEST, JEE and NEET. And we are now a community of more than 5 lakhs people across the world. And our mentors, our students who are right now studying in top institutes across the world, such as Harvard, MIT, Max Planck, Sheffield, etc. And you can definitely be the one. We want you to get to all those places, and your journey starts from here. Clearing obstacles one by one. IIT is a major milestone, and after that, your research journey will start, right? So this is the feature of the backlog series batch, and mind you, the classes will be on SciAstra app only. There will not be any YouTube lives. Okay, so it's an app batch only. So you need to download the app and enroll in the backlog series batch for free. You don't have to pay any money. So what are you waiting for? Definitely go right now, check it out and get enrolled, because it's going to benefit you anyways, my friend, right? You can take lectures, you can attempt mock tests, attempt CBT mocks, recordings. You can take benefit of the interaction sessions with those mentors, iserites, niserites, right? So how amazing is that? Now, let me briefly walk you through the schedule of the backlog batch, right? So in the first week, you will have 1 classes each of physics, chemistry, maths, bio, and these are the topics. These are the times for roughly 2 hours. It can be extended as well depending on the importance of the topic. And these lectures will be done in such a way that you won't have to study everything from scratch to the end. Okay, so this will act as one shot plus in detail theory, plus some questions practicing will also be done. This is amazing, guys. This is literally amazing. 2 hours every single day, right? For 4 weeks straight, Monday to Friday, sometimes Saturday. And this is the schedule. This will be uploaded on the application as well. You can find it there. Hurry up. We are definitely waiting to see you in the live classes. And using this, most of your backlogs, as you can see in most of these subjects, should be clear. Plus, these are the topics that are very, very important in IIT and NEST plus JEE NEET examinations, and they are very high scoring topics. For example, if you can see biomolecules, basic maths, kinematics, atomic structures. So they are all the first few very important chapters of each of the subject in your preparation. And most of you are facing problems in these chapters. And that is why this is it for you all. And reminding you again, that all these classes will be conducted on SciAstra application from 5 to 7 p.m. Okay, in the batch itself. And recordings will be available. If you have any questions, any queries, suggestions, ideas, feedback, criticism, do not wait. Let me know in the comments. If you want to talk to the support team at SciAstra, you can dial this number. They are available throughout 10 to 6:30 p.m. You can also mail at support@SciAstra if you have any problems or issues. If you want to talk to me or your Parth Bhaiya, we host live sessions on every Friday and Saturday at 5 p.m. via Google Meet, where you can get your questions answered by us if you want. Apart from that, also host free career counseling sessions every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. That too for free, where we have guided more than 50,000 students and parents with their queries and problems in last 1 year. And this is also for free. So these are the ways via which you can contact us. There are plenty of mediums. So guys, what are you waiting for? Check the description, download the app, enroll in the SciAstra free Backlog Series batch, and kickstart your preparation to your dream research institute. So see you there in the live classes, everyone. All the best.